Look who's eating toast, fruit, yogurt, and drinking milk out of a sippy cup. Is it good? Yummy? Wanna drink some milk? Like it? Some more? Apple.
Okay, you ready? Here we go. Here's Agnes. You ready? Yoji, scoot, scoot, scoot. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Come here. Come here, big boy. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Hey. Mama. Come on. He knows he can do it.
Come on.
You know you can do it. Come on.
Yoji.
It's okay.
Move, Yoji.
Let's try again. Let's try again. Try again. Try again. Come here. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Oh my goodness.
What got into you? Oh my goodness.
Yay. That was so exciting.
Yay.
I did it.
I'm a big boy
Oh
now.
my goodness.
What's my reward?
We get a big kiss. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Let's try one more time. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Come here. Come on. You can try. You know you want to. You're getting,
Well, I'm glad he's not.
you're getting,
Like
afraid.
scared?
You're
Yeah,
getting
scared.
braver. Okay, try again.
He's twisting.
Come on. You can do it.
Yay.
Wow.
Yay. You're amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Emma, do it again.
Okay. Encore. Encore. Encore.
He said, move, I don't need you to hold me.
Come on.
Come on. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it looks.
Amazing.
Wow. Wow.
He's like, I had legs this whole time.
Right.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is yours? This is yours?
He's like, I can do this too.
Is that the next step?
Crawl.
He's like, what else can I do?
Wow.
Come on, walk again.
I think that's what an app does.
And 2 big poops and ate all his fruit.
He lightened his load and refueled on energy.
One more time, baby.
Come here, big walker.
Woohoo.
Come here. Oh, your grandma's gonna be so sad. She missed it.
Yay.
Nice try.
He's like, I like falling.
Nice try. Here, walk to daddy. Here, go walk to daddy.
Come here.
Pull up your pants. Okay, go. No. You go walk daddy. Walk daddy. Walk to daddy. Here.
Right here.
Don't hold on. You can do it.
What?
That's what a bum is for. So you get cushion on your way down. Okay. Go try.
So excited.
Okay, you try.
Oh.
Are we getting close?
You are so cute.
Good trying.